Look at all the trash. So it's packed full of homeless vets back here, just trashing this Ella Sharp Park here in Jackson, Michigan. Homeless tent city back here.
What are you recording for, bud?
What's that?
What's the recording go towards?
Yeah, doing freedom.
Excuse me, Sergeant, can I ask you a question real quick?
You can ask
I
all the
just
questions
wondered
you want.
if someone called this in or if it was just found. Okay guys, so we're up here at the Ella Sharp Park. Guess there's homeless people living back in here. Big tent city. They're cleaning it up, the city police and city workers. So you can see here they got the city police here. And there goes somebody's home.
Phew. The card, or is it up there?
He said there goes somebody's home. To the camera.
Is that a dragable? You just put that on top of this. Oh, it's about 10 minutes. I know.
Hey, Joey. Tiny.
What?
Alright, I'm gonna go.
What? Yeah, go.
You see behind me? There's somebody now.
Somebody in a dog right there. Walking through the woods.
Well, if they had a dog, you'd be too cool.
You're gonna need this to pull more stuff out.
You gotta get up in there.
Look at all the trash. So it's packed full of homeless vets back here, just trashing this Ella Sharp Park here in Jackson, Michigan. These homeless vets are living back here just trashing it. There's literally a whole homeless tent city back here. There must have been, who knows how many dozen people were living back here. Right here in the city park, Ella Sharp Park, here in Jackson, Michigan. It's packed full of homeless people in Jackson, Michigan right now.
How you doing, Freedom?
Excuse me, Sergeant, could I ask you a question real quick?
You can ask
I
all the
just
questions you
wondered
want.
if someone called this in or if it was just found or
It
something.
was just found. It looked like it was abandoned property and there's litter everywhere and just keeping the.
Being on a
clean.
trail here,
Oh, sorry.
people
I don't mean
probably
to be
could
that way.
see it. Oh, you're fine. You're
I
fine.
think one of the maintenance workers found it. So
Okay. Sergeant Stanton. Okay, yeah, Wesley
Stanton.
Stanton. Thanks, appreciate it. I'm Justin.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I just was actually driving through here and saw it. And I thought, oh, what's going on? I thought it was an illegal dumping or something.
Well, in a roundabout way, it could be.
Pretty much, yeah, essentially it is. Well, there weren't any people back here when you came back?
Nope, sir. Nobody.
Okay, so no arrests made or anything?
Nope.
Appreciate it, thank you.
What are you recording for, bud?
What's that?
What's the recording go towards? Just put on your page or something?
Yeah, I'm just documenting the story. It looks
just
like there's a
documenting.
little story here, so I thought I'd
Yeah.
cover it. I was just out this way, popped in, and
Just curious.
I don't know if I'll do anything with it. A lot of times I just gather content, and sometimes it gets published, sometimes it doesn't. I appreciate you asking. It's
I didn't know if you had a page you posted it to or what. No, that was.
I'm sorry.
So they got it cleaned up. You guys got it cleaned up here, and you see they filled a dumpster full.
We got everything back there?
Except for one, we'll drag one more out.
How did that guy get this back? How did I get that back? I just handed it off to her.
Oh. Yeah. Get back to me.
So they literally filled this whole dumpster full of trash from where the homeless just completely trashed it. They were living back there in this park. I'm gonna wrap this video up. The police got it cleaned up. They didn't make any arrests. No one was back there at the time, they said. I'm going to wrap this video up. As always, thank you for watching Freedom News Now. We'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, First Amendment Audit. I'm out.